Good morning all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are good and happy at your home. So kids, first I would like to appreciate you for your hard work and dedication as you all completed your homework very nicely. Very good kids. You all did a fabulous job. Clap, 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 clap. Kids, we have already completed the letter A. And today we will move forward. And today we will start and learn about the letter B. This is letter B. And B says B. B says B. So kids, can you tell me what comes after A? What comes after A? Yes, you are right. Letter B. Letter B. A, B. And B says B. B says B. B, B, B. Let me show you some objects and you all will tell me the name of the objects, okay? Let's start the game. Okay. What is in my hand? What is in my hand? Is it a bag? Yes, yes, it's a bag. Yes, yes, bag, bag. What is in my hand? What is in my hand? Is it a ball? Yes, yes, it's a ball. 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 What is in my hand? What is in my hand? Is it a butterfly? Yes, yes, it's a butterfly. What is in my hand? Is it a banana? Yes, yes, it's a banana. Banana. B for banana. What is in my hand? Is it a book? Yes, yes, it's a book. Book. B for book. What is in my hand? Yes, this is letter B and B says B. B says B. B is for banana. B is for ball. B is for bag. Well done kids, very good, excellent. So kids, today ma'am is going to teach you how to write letter B. Letter B. But before that, I will tell you a story. And the story is all about this boy named Bobo. Bobo is a boy and Bobo likes to play different types of games with his mama. And one day, Bobo's mama planned an interesting game, treasure hunt game. Do you know kids about this game? Yes, it's a very interesting game. You can also play this game at your home with your mama and papa. In this game, mama आपके कोई भी टॉय या बॉल या कोई चॉकलेट्स आपके रूम में कहीं पर भी छुपा देंगे और आपको एक टाइम की लिमिट के अंदर उसे ढूंढ के लाना है। और जब आप सारे टास्क कंप्लीट कर लोगे, मम्मा आपके लिए कोई सरप्राइज गिफ्ट देंगे। ओके? और बोबो के मम्मा ने भी ऐसे 3 थिंग्स 1, 2 and 3 थिंग्स कहीं छुपा दिया था और बोबो को टाइम लिमिट के अंदर वो सारा ऑब्जेक्ट्स लेके आना था। और आपको पता है क्या हुआ? बोबो इजीली उस टाइम लिमिट के अंदर सारे थिंग्स ऑब्जेक्ट्स सब ढूंढ के मम्मा को दे दिया और बोबो गेम कंप्लीट कर लिया। बोबो ने? आप जानना चाहते हो क्या? Do you want to know? Yes. Okay. Then let's have a look. Look kids, Bobo, and here a ball. And now Bobo has to collect the ball. अब बोबो को तो बॉल कलेक्ट करने आना पड़ेगा. कैसे आएगा वो? From top to down. And बोबो को बॉल मिल गया. Now kids, you have to tell me again. बोबो कैसे आया था? आपके क्रेयॉन से बताओ. From top to down, 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 down. Standing line. From top to down. Standing line. Now next thing, bananas. And Bobo has to collect his bananas. अब बोबो को फिर से आना है बनाना कलेक्ट करने. कैसे आ रहा है बोबो? कर्व 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 एंड बनाना मिल गया बोबो को. Now all of you tell me using your crayon, बोबो को कैसे बनाना मिला था? Again from the top, same point and curve 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 curve. Again from top and from the same point, curve 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 curve. First curve. ऐसे बोबो को बनाना मिल गया था. Very good kids. Now Bobo has to play for the last treasure hunt thing. Yes, a book. And Bobo has to collect this one also. So Bobo try to collect this book. Yes, 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 yes. And Bobo को वो book मिल गया. Game complete. Very good. Now kids, using crayon, you all will tell me Bobo को books कैसे मिला था? From the same point of first curve, draw another curve. Again do it. Curve, 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 curve. Draw another curve. And it's done. Letter B. Standing line. First curve. Another curve. Very good kids. Now kids, it's activity time. First, join these paper cuttings and make the letter B. Start here. Standing line. First curve. And second curve. And it's done. Letter B. Letter B. And B says B. B says B. Now next activity. Using this Play-Doh, make the letter B. Okay? Let's start. First take small amount of Play-Doh, or you can use wheat dough also, and roll, 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 and place here. Now again take Now make first curve from top, middle, touch the middle part. Now again take roll it. And now from here make another curve. And it's done. Letter B. Letter B. Our Play-Doh B is ready. Now kids, it's time to write on your magic tray. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, then write letter B on your magic tray. Standing line. Then from top, first curve. Then another curve. Again do it. Standing line. First curve. And from that same point, another curve. And your letter B is ready. Very good kids. Well done. Now look at here kids. Butterfly. B for butterfly. And this is letter B. This is letter B. Using your index finger, trace on B. Trace it from top to down. Standing line. First curve. Another curve. And done. Now using your colorful chalk, trace it. Start from here. From top to down. Standing line. Again. From top. Draw first curve. One curve. And from the same point, draw another curve. Again do it. Standing line. Curve. Another curve. Very good kids. Now look at here. Letter B. B for ball. B for butterfly. And now I will teach you how to write B using 4 lines. Look at here kids. Standing line, first curve, another curve. You also write like ma'am. Start from the top line and you have to finish here. Don't touch the last line. Standing line. Look, start from the top line and finish here. Standing line. Now, first curve. Stop here in middle line. Start from the top line and stop here in middle line. Now again start from here and draw another curve. And it's done. Letter B. Look at here kids. Don't touch the last line and always start from the top line. Use only these 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. These first 3 lines you have to use. Standing line. First curve. Another curve. Very good kids. Now kids, I am going to teach you how to trace and write the letter B in your Candy alphabet book. And for that you have to open page number 16, 16 and 17. Now look at here, kids. B, this is letter B. B for bag, and B says B. B says B. Bag. Book. Now using your crayon, first one time trace on this letter B. Start from the top and down, 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 standing line. Again from the same place, draw first curve. Again from the same place, draw the second curve. Standing line, first curve, another curve. Very good, kids. Now trace the dotted B. Hold your pencil properly, okay? And write on dots. Dots से आपकी writing बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Start from here, from top, and use 3 lines only. Standing line, again from top, first curve, again from here, from middle line, draw the second curve. Very good. Once more, standing line, first curve, touch the middle line and second curve. This way you have to complete the 2 dotted lines B. Okay, complete up to here, 2 lines. And one more thing, don't touch the last line and write on dots. Dots से आपकी writing बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Very good. Now come here. After this, come here and write on blank. Start from here, from top, standing line, touch the third line, okay? Again from the top, touch the middle line, first curve. Again from the same point, draw second curve. Standing line, first curve, second curve. First curve, second curve. And don't touch the last line. Okay? Always start from the top line and use these 3 lines. और अभी तो आप जानते हो आपको 3 लाइन्स फर्स्ट के 3 लाइन्स में लिखना है, लास्ट लाइन टच नहीं करना है. तो मम्मा अभी कोई डॉट्स नहीं देंगे आपको, आप खुद लिख सकते हैं. राइट इन गुड हैंड राइटिंग. ओके, दिस इज योर क्लास वर्क. कंप्लीट द फुल पेज. ओके, एंड दिस इज योर होमवर्क. Do the same process just like classwork. First write this, trace this using your crayon and then write on dotted line and then finish the full page. Okay? Dotted line से आपकी writing बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Write on the dots. Write on dots. Very good. And here also same thing. Standing line, first curve, another curve. Standing line, first curve, touch the middle line, okay? And from middle line to here. Standing line, first curve, another curve. Complete full page. Okay? and write in beautiful handwriting. Now kids, it's time for fun. After completing your classwork and homework, you can do this fun activity with your mama and papa. You can make this type of palm printing butterfly collage at your home. These are palm, and using color, we can make this type of palm printing collage. So kids, let's have a look how we can make this type of beautiful collage. Mama or Papa will draw for you these things, face and body of the butterfly, and you can color that, okay? And now apply some color on your palm. And slowly tap on the paper. Wow! Draw another wing. Very good. Now use some different color and apply it on your palm. Now tap on paper and complete the wings. Wow! One more time, this side. And it's ready. Your beautiful butterfly palm printing collage is ready. That's all for today. Have fun and write the capital letter B in your notebook.